Hey, what's up you guys? Back with me again, Roots Mix Alive. Mix Alive. And today we're gonna draw, as usual, we're gonna make art. Art. I share with you one of my original artwork. Also, we're gonna give you a shout out. You wanna get a shout out? Watch this whole video. If you're out of idea to draw something, just start by drawing a human face. That's what I always do. No matter how crappy it is, just start with the face. Cause your face, unless you want to do a landscape or something like that. Emphasize on the face. You always draw the face first. I want to emphasize on the face, but also not forgetting about the background. The background, I'm using just patterns overlapping with another pattern. When it's a more complex piece, try to separate your time, take a break, play with your cat, feed your fish, feed your freaking dinosaur if you got one. We're gonna read some of your comments and give you a shout out. Last week I asked you guys, what is your most embarrassing thing that happened to you? And here is your answer. Okay, Fangle the Fox said, for your question, when I would trip in front of my class. Okay, shout out to Fangle the Fox. It is good. And for the question, it has to be when I slept in math class and woke up with the whole class along the teacher staring at me as if I murdered someone in class. Okay, next is from Cookies and Candy, the Chaos Cats. What an amazing drawing, you're very talented, I sub. Oh, thank you for subscribing, thank you so much. Once we had to give a presentation and we would speak without note, so I wrote the text for it and learned by heart. Standing in front of the class, I got nervous and I forgot half of my text. Stammered. I guess it was the most embarrassing moment in the school. I was so relieved and stammering right now in this video. That's more embarrassing. If you wanna get a shout out, please add my Instagram on Roots Mix Alive so we can exchange our artwork and I support you and you support me. You know all the drills. You know that. You know that. Okay? Add my Instagram account and answer my question. This question. What is the weirdest Wi-Fi name that you have seen? What is the weirdest Wi-Fi name that you have seen? I've seen a Wi-Fi name that don't steal my Wi-Fi.